Today I got something really special for you. Something extreme. This is matter of fact the very first one. This is literally number one. This is a Romero's Creation GTX, the Grand Tenor X. This one is all solid Koa one. This one I'm calling fully loaded. So, this was debuted at the NAMM show, and that Pepe, he didn't even tell me these were coming out. I had to go to NAMM. We live in the same city. I see him all the time at a shop. I had to go to NAMM to see this thing hanging on the wall, and he's like, oh, by the way, have you seen the new X series? I'm like, no, I haven't. He's like, check this out. This is premium Koa. All solid. This is a grand tenor. I'll give you a couple sizes in a second. This thing is absolutely stunning. Stunning. And he's like, do you want one? I was like, yeah, I want that one on the wall, which is this one right here. So this is the very first one. This is the only one in existence as of right now. So you can be the first to own this one, and you can get it at store.ukelikethepros.com. So a couple things. Grand tenor, what that means is thick body here. 3 inches. It tapers down a little bit here, but 3 inches. Why is it X? Well, look at the wood. This is premium. This is like beyond premium. This extra wood. This stuff is expensive. That's why it's the X, right? Also, what he did was he did the nice Gotas tuners here. Really, I love these tuners. Really smooth gear tuners. You have the 1.5 inch nut, and then you have the 17-inch scale length for the grand tenor. All right, let's check this out. Firemeter up, baby. Yeah, this thing's amazing. Anyway, this can be got at store.ukelikethepros.com. You can check out some more specs below, and you can see the full video over at my station, ukelikethepros.com, my website. By the way, you do also get the Ukelike the Pros Advantage with this as well, which is my 3 months premium membership included with this thing. 20. Romero's Creation, Grand Tenor X Koa. This one is called Fully Loaded. Check it out at store.ukelikethepros.com.